let's just dive in. I want to log in as a newly user so that you get to see. So once you download, this is what you see. Or actually to either log in with your Gmail or your Facebook or sign up with an email. So for now, let's do Gmail because that's the new one. Okay. Yes. So welcome to Ask. Then you get to see all your templates. Get to see all your templates on the from the home. Once you click on the design, I have no design. So you see I have no design in there. Then the menu, the same thing. Okay. So here we have the brand kit where you can change your colors, choose your color palette. If you want more options, you would have to pay for it, just like we did for the web session. Okay, so you can change the color. They give us 3 by default. So if your colors are more than 3, you might not really experience it properly. So that's fine. Then next, you can click and then sign out. So I just want to sign out, go back to the active account, and then we can explore from there. So I'm signing out and I'm signing in with my active account. Okay, so the same thing here. If I want to create a new template, I can just type in, say I want to do a card, a business card. I can select business card. Then it gives me the dimensions of a business card. I decide on which one to choose. Take my time to choose one of them. Let's say this. Okay. Good. So this is the working space that we have. This is the workspace. This is the workspace. Okay. So once you click any of them, so I'm just tapping the screen. Once I click, it selects the objects in there for me. So when you click on the background, you get different toolbars down there. So here you have replace, you have the color, you can change. Okay, so based on the selection that you do, you can do some animations. Click to replace. So here I want to replace the picture. It brings me to my uploads, and then I can choose from here any picture that I want to replace it with. Okay, so I can choose from here. I can also go to photos from here and then choose from the photo from stock images. Okay, go to video, and I can also click on the video I want to use. Go to my gallery and then go through my own pictures or my gallery and choose one, and I have a background that I can also select from, just like the web. It's just like the web. So the animations, background again. Okay, so based on your selection, it gives you the two. Now you see the plus sign. I just clicked on the plus sign and I clicked on templates. So templates, you get the current templates I could use: upload, photos, elements, text, audio. All this you can find just by clicking on the plus sign. So I just chose an element and I can just add a picture to the picture frame I just picked, and there I have it. Hold the white section, drag it in and out. Okay, position them by clicking, holding and dragging it all around. And you can delete it by clicking on the dustbin. You can just delete the grid or delete the image in there. Okay, again, let's click on the plus sign. Okay, so everything we saw in the web, we have them here. So we have the photos elements, we have the text. So the text module also have all these text features. Let me see, I think someone wants to enter admits. Okay, sorry about that. So the text feature, we can add the text just by selecting any of them. Once you double click in it, you can then edit it, type whatever you want, delete it. Again, just like the web interface. Here you can delete that as well. Okay. Again, the plus sign. So if you are looking for something that you can't really figure out on the mobile, just locate the plus sign. Make sure you have clicked outside, and when you go to more, you get to see all the things that we saw on the website for integration and all that. Yes. So if you're looking for anything and you can't find it, just click on the plus sign and then you get to see them as well. So these are where you can have your fonts. It's very, very user friendly for the mobile too. It's very, very user friendly for the mobile. And if you want to download, just click on the download button, the arrow with a line beneath, and you can quickly share to any of your social media platforms. You can share to any of them. And the social media platforms are really, really becoming more. I mean, there are plenty. Okay. Now, when you click on the plus sign with the box behind, so then it keeps duplicating. When you click on the bin, or when you click on the empty plus sign, the one on our left, on our right, sorry, it just adds an empty space to it. So I'm just navigating through the bin, the plus sign, and the other. Then now on the share button. So the share button, you can save as, choose the type of format you want, whether you want PNG, you want PDF, you want a video format. Once you're okay with it, like we discussed in the web, you can also add a bleed to it. Once you add a bleed and you're printing, it won't cut off the edges. Now you can select the individual pages that you want to download. So we can just select one, and then when you're okay with it, you just click OK and download. Then you have it downloaded. All right. So you can just click on the undo or redo button and have that. Now the three dots is just like the file on the web, and when you click on it, you can save to a folder, change the name from here. So let's call this ask, and then call this, save it to one of my folders, which is Access Abia. So we just click on that and save, or create a new one. So you can create another one from here. Okay. All right. So that is